We got smoke rolling out that meat slinger in the back of the Gator Pit concession trailer. Look at that smoke rolling, man. Gator Pit. Pumping out the smoke. About to get that brisket on. Ooh. Just fired this thing up. Maybe 10 minutes now. Getting up to temp. That's why you see so much smoke rolling out of it right now. Getting that baby up there to 250, 275. There's the meat slinger. Right there. Pellet grill, pellet smoker, call it what you want. I don't grill in this, I'll smoke in it, so I'm gonna call it a pellet smoker. Here, I'll walk on up. I mean, it's cold. I just fired it up. Gonna throw a brisket on there and let that brisket cook all night, guys. All night, low and slow. 225, 230 at most. Have it ready in the morning, and then I head out to the Katy Rodeo Parade. I've got that in the parade. I've got my Gator Pit truck in the parade. Got my food truck or concession trailer, call it what you want. And this is my Falcon. That's going to be towed tomorrow. You'll see the Falcon on my website, one of my pit models. Very popular trailer rig right there. And then over here, we have the Discovery Channel King of the Grill Space Shuttle, guys. It's going to be towed tomorrow. Yes, sir. We're going to turn some heads in the parade tomorrow with all these badass Gator Pits. I can tell you that right now. Some of you guys probably saw this on the King of the Grill, aired on Discovery Channel and also on Destination America. Very nice. But these are my two babies right here, or shall I say my three babies: my Gator Pit truck, my food truck or concession trailer, and then my Falcon. Love those things right there, man. I love them. A lot of great meats come off of that right there. A lot of great meat. And this is my new food truck, and I've been turning out a lot of great meat off of that too. Sell out every time I cook on it, guys. Every time, sold out. See ya.